Hey, let me show y'all what we're using today. We're cooking some chicken, and we got our Raging Cajun chicken seasoning rub, by Acadian Kitchens. We're gonna use this today. Check this out. So next time y'all see some of this Raging Cajun chicken seasoning rub on the shelf, get y'all some, try it out, let us know what you think. Let me show y'all another way to use this Raging Cajun chicken seasoning rub from Acadian Kitchens. I cut some chicken up into some strips. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the seasoning, put it in there, tumble it around, get it all covered, and then we're gonna put it on the control freak in the saucepan and fry it up. Look at that, folks. Look how good that looks. Don't forget, folks, Raging Cajun chicken seasoning rub by Acadian Kitchens. Look for it in the store near you.